Hey you guys, so pertaining to the live stream that I literally just got off doing, and that is your energy is your currency and the key to your manifestation, right? That golden rule that I was talking about, the golden rule. And so I highly recommend you go watch that video, which is being processed and uploaded now, but by the time you watch this, I'm sure it will be on my videos. And so the whole point of this video, okay, is to address the fact that something has been coming in so strong, and that is this little pesky, low-dimensional word. But again, that is my program that I connect this word to low vibration, and that is taxes, okay? But we have to understand, why are we still in the karmic cycle to think that this is low vibrational, to still be in more of the dark program system settings of this word, okay, of this vibration? So I was trying to better understand and dissect how the realization with taxes. First of all, we have to understand that taxes is in relation to our relationship with money. And that is in connection to our relationship with abundance. And here's the thing, you guys, you must watch that live stream, because the golden rule is to be giving. When we are giving, that is the open portal. That is the open key to receiving the true quantum abundance that is ours. But the whole thing when it comes to taxes, right? You have to think, don't worry when it comes to taxes. If something comes up for you as a gift, and then you're worried about taxes, or if I should do this, or if I should do that, if a venture or an investment comes up, do not worry about that, because what is that showing you? It is showing you your ability and your willingness to give. But that just shows your not willingness to give a portion, no matter where it goes or who it goes to. It doesn't matter, because it's something of a karmic process and pattern that you are still learning. So when it comes to the relationship with money, when it comes to being more conscious and being more open to receiving your abundance, you must be more open to give, okay? Be open more to give, being of service for how you can better help people. Even if it's helping that old lady, cross the street, or grabbing her groceries. Don't even ask, just do it, okay? It's that call to action to just do. Do not even ask, just do it. So the thing is, you guys, is we have limitations, but it's time to get over that. When we can get over the limitations of the burden of taxes or whatever, trust and believe the quantum leap is right behind that resistance. So I hope to see you soon, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already. Like this video, and don't forget to click on that bell. So also don't forget to watch that live stream to pertain and to connect and in comprehension to this video, because the golden rule is so important for every human soul to better understand your manifestation. So see you later.